Carrots. You know, the stuff that's supposed to be good for your eyesight and all that good stuff. Well, it can be quite boring when it comes to making carrots. I mean, I think I've tried almost every way to make carrots. I've baked them, I've boiled them, I've broiled them, I've used butter. But in this case, I found something new, and this is the Veggie Roaster by Urban Accents. It has Asian curry and honey seasoning blend in it, and this is a game changer. Now, I've never tried it before, so this is my first time. And to be honest, I don't know how this is really going to taste. So that's why I'm showing you. And the ingredients are granulated honey, salt, ground cumin, red bell pepper, ground peppercorns, sugar, ground coriander, granulated onion, turmeric, cayenne pepper, vanilla bean powder. This stuff sounds like it's going to be good. So I think we're going to find out. Yeah, I'm going to bake these babies up. But first I have a couple steps that I need to do. Yeah, I got to mix this stuff up with some oil. And the oil I'm going to use is the avocado oil. The packet with this is fairly easy to tear open. It comes with 3 packets, and you just throw the seasoning in the container, whatever container you're going to use. All right, so now we're just adding the olive oil in with the seasoning, and we're going to mix it up really, really good. Just make sure you mix it all up really good. I don't want to waste any of this, so I'm mixing it really good. Yeah. And so now I'm going to pour it over the carrots. It smells good. I hope it tastes as good as it smells. All right, so now that I have the olive oil and the seasoning mixed and poured over the carrots, I'm going to hand mix it in so that way all of the carrots are coated with the oil and the seasoning, and it should come out pretty good. Like I said, I've never used this before, so I'm crossing my fingers, and I hope this comes out as good as I think it is. All right, so my hands are oily, so are the carrots, and it's time to throw these babies in the oven. And you're supposed to throw them in there for about 40 minutes. And my 40 minutes are up just like that. It's magic. And there you go. You see how they look. Now, I'm very curious about the taste, so I think I'm going to dive in and take a bite. This is pretty good. I like this. Now, I would say to improve this, I probably would add some kosher salt to give it that little bit of the saltness flavor and pull out the flavors of everything else. Or if you want to sweeten it up, you can probably drizzle just a little bit of sugar on top of it. But all in all, this is a really good seasoning. I like it. It has a little bit of a bite to it. It has some heat to it. And it seems like as you're eating it, it gets a little bit spicier, but it is tolerable. That's right. So if you like spicy food, this is going to work for you. If you are a person that don't like spicy food, but you can tolerate just a little bit of heat, I think this might be a great thing to have, you know, for your carrots. I think it's pretty good. I'm going to continue to use this. I'm going to alter it up a little bit next time by adding some salt or a little bit of sugar, maybe some brown sugar, not granulated sugar like I said before, but maybe a little bit of brown sugar. So if you want some of this stuff, go to their website, Urban Accents, or you can also go to Amazon and buy some. Your turn, go cook some.